Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to change the font on your Samsung phone or tablet. So what I want you to do is open up settings, then I want you to find display, then I want you to find font size and style, and then you can change the font size right here, but the important part is the font style. Tap on this one and by default you should have the default font, Samsung One and Gothic Bold font. If you want to get any custom fonts, just tap on the plus to download some more fonts. You'll be brought to the Samsung Galaxy store. By default, it will show you the most downloaded fonts. What I want you to do is tap on the top three if you want to get some free fonts. However, if you want to pay for some fonts, you can just tap on the top paid and browse through the fonts right here. You may need to create a Samsung Galaxy account in order to download the fonts. You should just keep that in mind. If you are ready, just tap on the download icon and it will download the font. And once it's downloaded, it will be in the font style area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my font to Gothic Bold, and when you tap on it, the change will be instant. Now you can see my font has changed. If you ever want to change the font back to the default, go back to the font style area inside the settings, then just tap on default and the font will be brought back to the default one, which came with your Samsung phone or tablet. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist for Samsung tips and tricks that you may not know. It's on the end screen right now or in the description down below. See you guys later. Bye bye.